Now, ladies and gentlemen, AIM Global and Empowered Consumerism are also developing our system on how to harness the power of fintech or financial technology. And great news, we are so excited to announce that both AIM Global and Empowered Consumerism companies are proud member of the Fintech Philippines Association. So you might be asking, why? Now, it's a surprise. It's a more excitement on another level to be announced very, very soon. What are the divisions, the vertical integrations that we're going to launch soon? Has to do with financial technology or fintech. Okay, so keep on getting excited because we're creating so much excitement. We're creating and we're investing so much in this division because we know this will be the next trillion-dollar giant. Okay, it's fintech revolution. Now let's talk about payout. For those people who are excited with the payout, now there's been a discussion, a debate, whether it's good to still pay out on a monthly basis or provide a weekly payout system. Now, if they are already doing a weekly payout system, now let me tell you guys, here in the Philippines, more and more companies are paying out on a weekly basis. How does it work? The production for the entire week, Monday to Friday, when they encash it, they will receive their checks next Friday. So there's 1 week delay for the first week production of your entire team. So it means you will be getting paid, yes, every week, but there's 1 week delay. Okay, now there's been a debate. Is it still better to pay out on a weekly basis with delay or pay it out on real time like what we did with EC Community, which we called EC5? So just like to refresh each and everyone's minds and hopes on this particular business where you are a member right now of this growing online community, we launched Empowered Consumerism last year, February 2020. We launched EC and we launched EC5 as well. What is EC5? It's Easy Cash in 5 minutes. It's your earned commission in 5 minutes. What does it mean? You don't need to wait the following day. You don't need to wait the following week. You don't need to wait the following month. All you need to do is when you do your encashment on your DTC, you need to wait for 5 minutes. 5 minutes, as quick as 5 minutes, when you will receive a one-time password text that is needed for you to provide. And within 5 minutes, you can already withdraw your commission. Now, this is the first in the industry. This is the first in Asia. This is the first in the Philippines. And we're paying out in real time within 5 minutes, which we called EC5. Now, this is so techy, this is so savvy, in such a way that our competitors cannot even cope with it because until today, they're still paying out on a weekly basis. Now, let me tell you this. We still have our Banco de Oro ATM, wherein you can get your payout on a daily basis if you still prefer that way. Now, we still have our checks, wherein it's given on a weekly basis if you still prefer to get paid that way. But what I'm proud of is the EC5, our partnership with China Trust ATM, wherein you could encash within 5 minutes. So the beauty of this, ladies and gentlemen, the faster you get paid, the faster you get excited, the faster the excitement goes to your entire network, and the duplication will be so crazy, it will be off the roof that all of them will be talking about your encashment and their encashments as well, regardless of what the amount may be. So this is the innovation that we did before pandemic, meaning February of 2020. Now, how many people have benefited on this? Because as I've said, for the past, say, 12, 13, 14 years, we've been paying out people in our community on a daily basis, and then we shifted to a real-time online payout system, which we called EC5. So for the past 12 months, we gathered 73,161 total number of encashment with our EC5 system. So if you're one of them, key in EC5. Type mo na, EC5. Type mo na, ako nag-encash ng EC5. Within 5 minutes, nakuha ko na sa ATM. Type it in, EC5, 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 how on fire you are when you did your EC5 encashment. To the point that I saw some leaders who were able to do a vlog in YouTube, and they posted how easy it was to encash their income with EC5 system. Can you imagine? 73,000 encashment done within 5 minutes for the past 12 months. That's basically around 6,000 encashments per month. That's around, okay, it's still lagging, 6,096 to be exact, encashment per month, more or less. 1,524 encashment per week within 5 minutes, and 218 encashment every day done through EC5. These are the number of people waiting for 5 minutes to get their encashment with our EC5 system every blessed day of our EC community. So how wonderful this innovation is. Even in the midst of pandemic, more and more people in our EC community are encashing their commissions within 5 minutes. So more and more, we are entering the digital space. More and more, we are getting interested in the technology sector that has been dealing with the finance, or should we say, financial technology, or fintech for short. Now, this is a revolutionary industry. It's an emerging market. It's a sunshine industry. And more companies around the world are developing each and every way on how to do and how to progress their business towards the fintech revolution. Now, ladies and gentlemen, AIM Global and Empowered Consumerism are also developing our system on how to harness the power of fintech or financial technology. And great news, we are so excited to announce that both AIM Global and Empowered Consumerism companies are proud member of the Fintech Philippines Association. So you might be asking, why? Now, it's a surprise. It's a more excitement on another level to be announced very soon. What are the divisions, the vertical integrations that we're going to launch soon? Has to do with financial technology or fintech. Okay, so keep on getting excited because we're creating so much excitement. We're creating and we're investing so much in this division because we know this will be the next trillion-dollar giant. Okay, it's fintech revolution.